Hey guys, so I'm going to talk to you guys today about the least common multiple. I use a math hack of a t-chart. It's the same t-chart that I reduce fractions with. It's the same t-chart that I find the GCF with. It's the same t-chart that I rewrite expressions by factoring out with. The t-chart is seriously such an amazing tool that you can use in 6th grade. So, common mistakes of least common multiples: forgetting to multiply the outside and the bottom. If you have not watched my GCF video, go watch that, because this is a building block of the GCF video. It's the GCF video plus a little more. Well, not a little more. All right, so step 1, your t-chart. Step 2, reduce if you can. If you can. Heavy on if you can. Heavy on if you can. And reduce all the way. All the way. Okay, step 3, multiply the outside and the bottom row together. I actually forgot to write this down. Remember when I said if you can? Okay, this is very important. If you cannot reduce, all you have to do is multiply the numbers together. So here we go. Find the LCM of 18 and 30. So step 1, t-chart. Step 2, reduce if you can. And I can. I can reduce 18 and 30 by 2. Okay? 2 times what is 18? 9. And 2 times what is 30? 15. Okay, am I done? Can I reduce 9 and 15? Yes, I can. If you're not sure, look at the smallest number, or the easiest number for you. The only thing that equals 9 is 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. 9 cannot equal 15, but 3 can. So we're going to pull out a 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 5 is 15. I cannot reduce this anymore, so I'm done. Step 3 says multiply the outside and the bottom row together. And this actually looks like an L for least common multiple. So you're going to do 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So we have 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 5 is 15. And 6 times 15 is 90, and that is your LCM. All right, find the least common multiple of 2, 3, and 11. So I'm going to put this in a t-chart. Step 1, 2, 3, and 11. It says, reduce if you can. Oh, I cannot reduce. I cannot reduce this. Look, 2, 3, 11. These are all prime. You cannot reduce those. So if you cannot reduce, multiply the numbers. So I'm going to do this. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 11 is 66. I'm done. Now think about it. Old school method, you would have to write 2, 3, 11, and you'd be like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all the way up to 66. Okay? What would you prefer? All right. I think we all know the answer. I think you guys would prefer this method. If you're in 5th grade, though, I'm pretty sure that you're going to have to show that you can do the list. I don't teach 5th grade, so I'm not sure, but I think that you do have to know how to make the list. So your teachers might be mad if you do this. I'm not sure, though. All right, so here we go. 6, 8, and 12. Step 1, t-chart. Step 2, reduce if you can, and I can. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 6 is 12. Now looking at these numbers, I could reduce these 2 together, but that 3 ruins it. I can't reduce these 3 together. I could reduce 3 and 6 together, but then the 4 ruins it. So I cannot reduce this, so I am going to multiply the outside and the last row together. Okay, and I have 2 times 3 is 6, and 4 times 6 is 24. Now, I don't know what that is off the top of my head. So this is about like the most difficult math you would have to do for this problem. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 144, and that would be your GCF. Okay, for your word problems, if you guys see like how many or how much something will pass before both, happen again at the same time. So for example, if it were to be like, how many days will pass before you have both lessons again on the same day, same time, day again? That means LCM. I hope this was helpful for you. Bye.